Hi guys, today we're going to make this cute Ikea Hack stool. It uses two stools from Ikea. One is a children's stool and one is a floor stool. I wanted to combine them to make the seat a little higher because a lot of people don't like to sit on the floor. The first stool is the Alcida stool, which is $28, and the next one is the Fostat stool, which is actually a children's stool. It's $18. I had this stool in my kids' room, which gave me this idea. Here's how to put together. It's really easy. Now we're going to mark where we're going to drill holes to attach the top part of the stool using zip ties. So I'm just going to make lines from the center, and then we're going to have 2 holes on each side of every line, and that's how we're going to do the zip ties. I'll show you here how to drill the holes. So you can see it's not perfect, but that doesn't really matter. We're going to use this drill here, using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Now you want to put the zip ties in through the first hole and then up through the second hole. Once you connect the zip ties, do not pull the zip ties all the way tight until you are done putting all the zip ties in. Otherwise, you won't be able to put them all in. Now we have a finished stool. I made 2 stools because I want to use them as seats inside our house for guests or when we're out on our back patio.